tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Good afternoon. Welcome to a day in my life as a stay-at-home mom and a fitness mom. Trying to lose weight and keep fit. But anyway, I want to have my breakfast, stroke lunch. I call it breakfast, yes, because this is the first meal I'm having today, and I'm having egg and oats. Yes, very simple breakfast. Therefore, lunch, I'm taking you guys along in what I'm having for lunch. I hope you enjoy this. It's going to be like a small vlog, not something much. I hope you enjoy this. What I eat in a day as a mom, a wife, and trying to snatch back my weight. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So the food is almost ready. I did a scrambled egg. The egg is ready. Away. I'm not going to burn myself up. So I'm cooking another egg for lunch. Just transfer this in my plate. This thing is hot. So this is my flaxseed. This is my oatmeal. The light is not lighter, sorry. So adding in flaxseed. A teaspoon. Because initially I've taken a teaspoon of flaxseed already in the morning. So total 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. I'm supposed to use yogurt for this, but my yogurt is not yogurt. It's frozen. My yogurt is inside freeze. It's freeze. So I'll just take 1 spoon of full cream. I mix. My yogurt is freezed up. Anyway, I'll take it later. I'll just bring it out to defroze. This is Greek yogurt. Plain. It's not sweet. Not sweet.
Yesterday came over, wanted just to chill, but you're hungover. Even when we're late. not the face, not the face to face. I know that you're the type to go, although it's nothing personal. You say that it is not my fault. I know, 'cause I give you my best. And now when I know it's stress, no, I know I give you my best. And it comes with
What I just bought.
but I know I'm the best. Dealing with all the mess. You promise that it's just a phase. I see that that's what you gotta say. You say come over. We're just gonna have a good time and start over. Just caught you on a bad night. I know that you're the type to go, although it's nothing personal. You say that it is not my fault, but I know, 'cause I give you my best. And when I know it's stress, no, I know I give you my best. With no rest, you better know I'm the best. Dealing with all the
Meal I'm having. Which is the meal. Taking tea. Oh. I took tea in the morning, so this is my second cup of tea. Not second. Let me say fourth cup of tea. Yes. So this is my fourth cup of tea. Like in the morning, I always take tea as normal. I'll show you guys. Yeah, this is my fourth cup of tea. So in the morning, I always take tea, which you guys have already seen. Okay, so that's the tea I always take in the morning. Like I don't miss that tea, even if I don't have the chai seed or the lemon, I will take the tea like that, and I have the green tea. I'll take the green tea and my apple cider vinegar. So, but if I have the whole four of them, I drink the four of them. But anyway, then later in the day, I had a cup of, let me say, 2 cups of, what's the name of that tea again? Babe, what's the name of that tea again?
What?
Strawberry tea, Abby. That is strawberry tea, now, right?
Yes.
I had 2 cups of strawberry tea during the morning stroke before lunch, before I had that my lunch. Yes, because it's that time of the month, so I need to take strawberry tea. Or if I have some ingredients for hibiscus, I saw a article where they said you can take hibiscus, then ginger and bay leaf for this thing, cramps. Yes, to help to reduce cramps. So I think I need to try that recipe out. But anyway, I took strawberry tea, 2 cups of strawberry tea in, like, let's say 2 hours interval before I had my first meal of the day. I don't usually take 2 cups of strawberry tea. It's only when I'm on that it's only when it's that time of the month I do that. So, but I take green tea a lot. That is my go-to tea, green tea. So this is my fourth cup of tea, which is a green tea, and the time now is 4:37. So by maybe to 6, I'll have my last meal, which will be maybe fruit, because I have fruits in the house. So I'll just have my last meal, which is fruit, and that's it. I'll show you guys what I'll be having for my last meal. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And Mia! 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 That child is doing something she's not supposed to do. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I know you always do what you're not supposed
Oh,
to do.
nothing. What did you do
She did something. What did you do?
Nothing.
I'm coming to check the toilet now. Alright. See you guys in the next clip. Bye. So it's almost 6. I want to rush and eat because I need to finish my meal before 6 o'clock. I don't want to eat by 6 in the night. So this one is just a simple meal. Ikomane se Ikomane se I didn't do te. This one has some of the ice, so I don't need something that will ice my teeth.
Yesterday,
Ikomane se. Alright, I need half cup.
face. I know that you're the type, though it's nothing personal.
So this is a simple, very simple recipe. Greek yogurt, I'm using half cup. I just hope this is stocking. Ikomane se. Okay, let's. And this is watermelon.
Just caught you on a bad night. I know that you're the type to go, although it's nothing personal. You say that it's not my fault, but I know. 'Cause I give you my
Just half cup.
and no one I know is trust. No, I know I give you my best, and it comes with no rest. You better know I'm the best. Dealing with the mess. You promise that it's just a phase.
Another half cup.
See that that's what you just gotta say to get your way.
Okay, I blend this and make a drinker like this. I'm not even saying. It's on the fridge.
What's up?
Go and take it inside the fridge. What do you want?
So this is what she's eating.
So far, I am done for today. These are everything I ate. I hope this is talking. So guys, I am done and I want to rest. And these are everything I ate for today. I don't normally eat. I don't normally eat this plenty food like this. But for today, I decided to eat it. One, because of it's that time of the month and you have a lot of cravings. 1, 2, it's that time of the month and you have a lot of cravings. Sometimes I eat 1 meal in a day and that's it. But for today, I ate like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which was fruit. Normally, I would just eat only one food, then maybe eat fruit or just be drinking water. But anyway, I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now it's time to drink water and sleep. It's what's the time? It's now 6:37. So tomorrow that's school.
6.
Tomorrow is school. So
Tomorrow is after craft. That
tomorrow,
means it's school.
tomorrow is school. So just for me to chill and continue watching my Korea dramas. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. 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 Me, I say bye.
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 You're not the face to face. I know that you're the type to go